Hey there, y'all. This is Andrew Lucas from Columbia, South Carolina, and I wanted to give you a little testimonial review of Wholesaling Inc. Because everyone else is doing it, so why not do it? So we started with Wholesaling Inc. about a year ago, a little over a year ago, and at that point we were actually 11 years into our real estate investing careers, my wife and I. So we were actually already pretty deep with rental properties and some fix and flips. And a lot of people ask, why did we join Wholesaling Inc? Why did we need help in coaching wholesaling? Well, it's because it's not really, like Tom says, not really real estate. It's the art of finding discounted properties. That's what we needed. Up to that point, prior 11 years, we'd always looked on the MLS or used our network of realtors to find deals. Well, that was getting tougher. So we found Tom Krol's group, Cody Hofhine, and started researching them and figured out that consistent marketing, those negotiation strategies, the skills that they teach is what we needed to make our business go and to catapult. So a year and some change later, my wife and I both quit our jobs. That's why I'm sitting here on the porch on a nice, beautiful, sunny day, because we can work from wherever we want. So if you're on the fence, Wholesaling Inc., I recommend it. If you have questions, there's plenty of reviews here. Everyone in the tribe are big go-givers. It's the mentality of the tribe, of the group, of the leaders. We're all here to help. We all want to succeed. So I encourage you to do it. See ya.